gonna get damage in it. It's gonna get damage. Oh no, we're gonna get damage. Oh, come on. They're gonna get crushed. They're gonna get run. The field run. No, we're gonna get crushed. Oh man. What is wrong with you? Somebody, where's training? What's wrong with you? Who's gonna get fired? Oh my god. Somebody, what are they gonna do? Oh no, the train. It's gonna get crashed! Oh no! It's gonna get crashed! No! Wire crash! No. Wire crash! Oh man, I wanna call a fire truck! Guys, the engine is fired! No! Oh no! What happened? No! What's wrong? We have to call it. What is wrong? What's wrong out of the truck racing? Oh no, what's wrong with you? It's fired! Look, the engine is fired! Oh no! Oh my god. I mean, this is another game. Fire truck delivered the wood. Oh no! No, not again! You crushed it! Call a fire truck! I shouldn't go! We're fixing. What? They're gonna get damaged again? Animal news. Look! Fire! And it's gonna get crushed. No. Guys! The truck is fired! Oh no! What is wrong? No! What's wrong? Oh no! Fire finally the where? Go! I wanna call the firefighter. Go! Guys! 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 What's happened? Oh no! Ah! I will get you. I will repair it. Come on, let's go. Why? What's wrong? It's a fire truck. Go. No, come back, fire truck. No.
I'm still playing. Playing computer.
Guys, what's happened? Look. Fire truck. I will repair it, okay? My truck is broken. No! Hello, what is happening? It's fired! Oh man! Are you okay? I don't know. She's crashed. I'll repair it. Guys, what's happening? You want to go? Come here. Oh no! Somebody fire. Guys, somebody. Oh no, we have to rescue this truck. Let's go. What is wrong? Guys, we have to call tow truck. Guys. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, the truck is broke down. Oh no. What did happen? You got zero. What this? have to call rescue though. Are you okay? Are you back? You're firefighter. Firefighter! What? My engine is damaged! Oh, maybe. Are you okay? Are you okay? Somebody, there's fire! Guys, let's repair. Come on, let's go. I got fired. Aya, what's that? I am so sorry. I want to go back to fire truck. We have to call fire truck though. Now he's gonna get fired. Guys, look. Oh no. Guys, there's fire. Hello. Are you here? Are you still okay? It's fired. Hey, what's wrong? Come on, let's go. Are you okay? Woo! Thanks, sir. I was still going through. Are you okay? Let's go. Come on. They love this a fire truck though. I knew Moses left the game. Oh, this is deliberate. Oh no. I need the story. No, look, he's gonna get fired again. No way. Animals is deliberate. Oh no!